Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today we will see the locator By.Name. By.Name is one of the most commonly used locators in real applications. The name attribute is often present on forms like input fields, drop-downs, and buttons. Unlike ID, name does not have a unique, but in well-designed application it is always stable. In enterprise applications like Cogmento, name is often more reliable than ID, which is why automation engineers use it frequently. An example, if you can see here, we are using by.name where we are finding the email field, password field, and by.xpath for finding the login button. When we find by.name email, we will send the keys your email. Let me give a run and then we will understand. Here, Selenium locates the email field using its name attribute, then it locates the password field using the name, and finally it clicks on login button. This shows how by.name is used in real world at Selenium automation. And if we want to try to check on this particular element, how we are finding that particular locator is very important. If you see the name equal to password, this is how we are using by.name password. If you see here, it will be email. So the same is used by.name email and sending the keys your email. If you see in the output, your email is been print. And since we are providing invalid credentials, we are not able to perform login action successful. So By.name is one of the most practical locators in real projects. In the next video, we will see By.class locator. Thank you.